Hi there everyone, welcome to 0xcalls, and in this video we're going to look at how to link your profile to your Telegram account and how to use the 0xcalls bot. So jump over onto the website and on the left hand side go to My Profile. Now previously we created our profile with our profile picture and our banner and we did our first call. But what we want to do here is we want to connect it to our Telegram. So in these sub tabs, you can see here the link that says Telegram. Now click on that. So underneath here, you've got a nice easy option of how to link. So it says to link your account, click on the button below, then open Telegram and press start. So once you're here, press link Telegram. Now you'll see you're forced to open Telegram. Now let's click on that and you'll see here that you're presented in Telegram with the 0xcalls bot. Now what you want to do is press start at the bottom. There we go. It says your account has been linked to 0xcalls.ai. So our account now, let's jump back. Our account here on the platform is now successfully linked to our Telegram account. So what can we do when we've linked it to the account? So let's go over to Telegram and let's see what options the bot has for us. So let's do /start. Now look at all of these different commands you can see from the 0x bot. You've got link, which is what we've done. You've got unlink if you needed to unlink your account. You can get an OTP if you wanted to sign in. You can register, create a new account, and you can make a call. You can grab your stats. You can look at the best, which is the best calls of the month, of the global, of the week. You can look at leaderboard, and you can look at all the different trendings and best snipes. So there's a whole load of options that you can do directly from your Telegram account. So in this video, let's run through them and let's look at some exciting options like adding the bot to a private group. So first, let's try and make a call from Telegram directly. So if we press /call, it's going to say you need to provide an address. So let's jump over to deck screener and let's go to a token. Let's use the Andy token. Let's take the contract address. Let's go back here. So we want to press /call space and then we want to paste the contract address. Press enter. You'll see then the bot asks which chain is the token on. Well, Andy's on the Ethereum chain, so we're going to press ETH. So it's going to fetch some information. So it shows the symbol, the decimals, the price, and all the information that you need. Now, really important, underneath it shows public, subscriber, or cancel. Now, once the call is made, it cannot be reversed. So it's very important that you review all of these options. Now, in this case, we want it to be a public call. So let's press public. There we go. A new call has been created, and the interface and the UI shows all of that option directly here in the bot. And if we go over now to our profile and we go over to the 0xcalls profile, let's do a refresh. Let's see if that directly translates to our profile. There we go. It says Andy has been called. So instead of going directly to the website and making a call, you can find a token, grab the contract address, and do it directly from your Telegram. So let's jump back over to Telegram now. Let's look at some other options. So let's try and look at stats. So if we click stats, you can see here, it shows the name of our profile, how many calls we've made, and it shows our stats and our ranking. So all that information that we've got here is great. Let's look at some more. Let's look at best. So this should show the different results that there is. Let's go back. Best global, best month. Okay. Let's type in BST and let's say day. Let's look at the best calls today. There we go. So just by the Telegram bot within your own Telegram, you can see the best calls of the day. If we do /best and we do month, it'll also show us the best calls of the month. So how fantastic that you can do all of these features directly with the Telegram bot. Now, another cool feature is you can add this bot directly to a private group. So if you click on the bot information at the top, you'll see here it says add me to a group or a channel. So let's press that. And this is a group that I've created with Rose. So let's select that group, and it's going to ask to create the bot as an admin, just like any bot you add on any Telegram group, exactly the same. So let's press add bot as admin, and we accept. And there we go. So if we go over to this group that I've created with me and Rose, we can see now that the 0x bot has been added to this group. So why would you want to do that? Now let's say, for instance, in this group you've got multiple different people. You can track and you can call and you can look at all the stats of everyone in that group that signed up to 0x calls. And you can make calls directly from here. So for example, let's find another token. Let's go over to ENA. Let's grab the contract address of this token. And let's make a call from the private group. So we'll take that address. We'll go over to the platform. We'll press this /call, and we're going to put in the contract address. There we go. So it's going to ask us what chain, and we're on Ethereum. So we'll select that, and we'll select public. There we go. A call has been made. So remember, this is now a private group. It can have 3 people in it. It can have 100 people in it. You can add the bot to any group on Telegram and make calls directly. Now, another thing, if I do /best and I put day, it'll show that there is no best. Now, what this is doing in the private group, it's tracking individuals exclusively in the group that you added it to. So individuals inside this group have to be signed up to 0x calls, but what it'll allow you to do is to track all the individuals in that private group, their stats, their calls, the best calls of the day, the best calls of the month. So it's a great tool to be able to keep a track of multiple different people inside Telegram groups, calling different tokens across different chains. So let's jump back over to the profile. Let's go and do a refresh. And we should be able to see that the ENA token now corresponds on our profile. So there you go. That's how to link your profile to your Telegram group. That's how to create calls and check stats directly from Telegram. And that's how to add the bot to a private group on Telegram.